I'm Ashley Miller, Product Manager with Teledyne FLIR, and we're here at SPIE DCS demoing our Neutrino Integrated Solutions Series. So right here we've got the Neutrino LC, which is our 15 micron 640 by 512 hot mid-wave IR detector. And then we've also got our Neutrino SX8, which is our 8 micron 1280 by 1024 hot mid-wave detector. They look like this. So both of them are in this small swap package, so very low size, weight, and power. And they both use our FL100 linear cooler designed and built in-house, which has a 27,000 hour mean time to failure. And it also carries a 2-year warranty. So that makes it great for any applications like ISR, dismount, pan tilts, and gimbals. Another great thing about this portfolio is the integrated zoom lens assemblies. So those are also made in-house at Teledyne FLIR. And so you'll get full vertical integration between the core and the lens. And that means that when you're in development, you're only dealing with one supplier, so you can get faster time to market. And then also less issues when you're actually in production with your product. You only have one supplier to deal with, so there's no finger pointing or anything like that. Your issues can be resolved quite quickly. So if you want more information, please go to FLIR.com/Neutrino.